So Raya and I went to Europe for the first time last year, and one of our favorite experiences was when we were taken on a cultural journey, learning the skills on how to make authentic Italian pizza and gelato in Florence. So we bought our tickets online through the Viator website, paid around 208 Australian dollars for 2 vouchers. So I hope you enjoy this short video of our cooking class experience in Italy. We met our tour guide and chef Lavi at the Walkabout Florence headquarters in the heart of Florence. After checking in, we were directed to the parking lot a few minutes away from their office to ride the bus that transported us directly to the private estate. Nice aperitivo plates that included the traditional fettunta and a glass of Chianti wine were served to all tour participants. The beautiful Tuscan countryside greeted us as we arrived in the farmhouse that offers stunning views over the surrounding hills just outside the center of Florence. After soaking in the views, we were invited to join the other chefs, Luca and Ludwig, to learn the process of making and kneading the dough and the right way to toss it up in the air.
1, 2, 3, 10 times 12. I don't know how many you like.
Very moody, baby.
Too much is not a problem because this help to activate the yeast. Okay, so you think about your husband or your, I don't know, your friend or who you don't like. Because there is no air anymore. Yeah. Three, go! Wow! Are you ready with 2, 3, go! Perfetto! What you call local is?
We were provided with different toppings to choose from for our Napoli pizza that was then cooked in the estate's oven.
1, 2, 3, go! Ai, che va benissimo! Che va benissimo!
Wow.
We were then directed to this big and gorgeous kitchen where we learned how gelato differs from the more popular ice cream.
And I'm going to call it gelato for the rest of the day, for the rest of my life. It's not ice cream. Okay, so let's get this straight first. For Italians, we don't even have that difference. We don't have ice cream or gelato, we only have gelato. We are actually taught that ice cream is English word for gelato. So, but I know that back home probably you have the two things. So just so you know that ice cream is an industrial product. Usually they use powder ingredients. The level of fats is higher. So that also affects the texture of ice cream, which is usually tougher. harder than a gelato. A good authentic Italian gelato is supposed to be creamy, soft, and that's because the level of fat is perfectly balanced with sugar, water, and everything else. So we're not making ice cream.
Lavi then showed us the two ways on how to make gelato, using liquid nitrogen and the gelato maker. So, strawberries, mint goes on everything. So, nitrogen. Once you start, you don't stop. It's a big thing. You want to try everything. If it goes on the floor, it's fine. Even if it comes to you, it's not a big deal. Vai, vai. Ready? 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 Come on. Yeah, Mary. Of course, I don't see a thing, so I just have to feel it. Easy as that. Nice. We ended the tour with a feast at the estate's dining area with the stunning views of the Tuscan sunset. What a great way to end our Florence trip.